Himalayan performance exhaust. Hi guys, Rajan here. Welcome to my another vlog. This vlog is about Himalayan off-road exhaust. I like the exhaust because it gives much better sound to the engine noise than the original stock version. And this exhaust also produced by Royal Enfield, so there is no pain of letting go of your warranty and stuff like that. In terms of performance, to be frank, I don't notice. Kinda initially when I fixed it for the first time I rode after fixing the off-road exhaust, kinda felt it is better than stock. That may be placebo effect, you never know. But it is called Himalayan performance exhaust, so there might be a slight improvement in terms of pickup. That's all I can say about the performance, nothing much. In terms of how it sounds when you are passing by at higher speeds and all, it's good. I have taken feedback from guys I rode with in the past, and they all gave positive feedback. They like the sound. The popping from the exhaust is more compared to stock exhaust, and I like the pops. One annoying thing about Himalayan engine is the noise it produces, the engine head. So if you wanna ignore that noise and hear the popping sound or beat sound this performance exhaust produces, then you need to get this performance exhaust. In terms of availability, it is not available in any Royal Enfield service centers. It has been pulled from the market due to regulatory issues, as far as I know. And Royal Enfield should introduce a new upgraded exhaust, but so far I'm not aware of any such new introduction. Okay, in terms of looks, this off-road exhaust is coated black, and towards the end it has that stainless steel finishing. Of course, the exhaust barrel is bigger compared to the stock one. This performance exhaust goes very well with the bike compared to stock.